Bird Festival, a celebration of wilderness, culture, and diversity. The Bhutan Bird Festival is celebrated in Shimgang with lots of exciting events. The pre-festival events include birdathon, art competition for students, and photo framing. During the festival, you get to enjoy the thrilling whitewater rafting, exciting local cuisines and products in the stalls, and the famous bird-watching event. The post-festival includes exploring different places around Shimgang, a trip to the Mangtachu, sightseeing at the Twin Waterfall, and an overnight trip to the Holy Buli Tso. So, what are you waiting for? Plan ahead and visit the ever-buzzing and unique Bhutan Bird Festival, which is going to start from 13th to 15th of November.